Hello, I'm Branislava Lalić, and I'm professor of meteorology and biophysics at Faculty of Agriculture at University of Novi Sad. My background is in physics, but my whole career is devoted to research of biosphere-atmosphere interaction. Recently, this research is extended to modeling phenology dynamics and harmful organism development. And of course, looking after signature of plant growth and temperature and humidity records. At the beginning, our group was fully committed to modeling of turbulent transfer between forest and atmosphere. For that purpose, we developed some very interesting new approaches to momentum transfer modeling and relations like this one, which is supposed to help you to better parameterize distribution of mass and leaf surface through the whole profile of forest canopy. We also derived some very useful relation for solar radiation absorption in forest canopies. And recently, we are giving much deeper look into empirical and statistical theories of turbulence, seasonal variation of Euler land scale and missing land, and correlation of these variables in the forest with leaf area index development. Thanks to our collaboration along more than a decade with colleagues from PEACE and their observational network in Serbia, we now can have much deeper insight in signatures of phenology development on meteorological conditions, particularly temperature and humidity records in orchards and different type of canopies. Now we're working on some new indices which are supposed to give us better insight in our data and allow us to maybe recognize some phenological events just looking after meteorological data. We are hoping that it will allow us to fill some gaps in phenological observations and maybe offer information about plant phenology dynamics on locations when these kind of phenological observations are not in place. What about my contribution to fairness action? I'm planning to contribute to gap filling in data series of micrometeorological data, particularly measured in rural areas. But I deeply believe that we can make some sort of improvements in respect to urban measurements also. Of course, implementation and work on a knowledge share platform will be my main focus, and case studies focused on season transitions in rural and urban areas. But I would like to remind you on our responsibilities as researchers and stakeholders, people working on different branches of science and technology, because our action will for sure contribute to responsible research and innovation. And I would like just remind you on some very important issues in this respect.